What's the deal with water? I mean, we have yet to find any life that can live without water, and most scientists search for life by identifying planets that could have liquid water. And on Earth, if you go even a day without it, you'll start to become as dry as my DMs. But what exactly makes water the LeBron James of elements? First off, water is a clear, odorless, tasteless liquid, which means that when you splurge on that Fiji water, that taste is just from the minerals. Water is made of hydrogen and oxygen, and it freezes at 0 degrees and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That's 32 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit for my fellow Americans, because we just had to be different. When water freezes, instead of shrinking, it expands. This is thanks to hydrogen bonding, which causes the molecules to spread in this weird honeycomb shape. This lets ice float, which is great news for fish because they get to chill in the liquid water below the ice and not turn into fish popsicles. Water is also a polar molecule, which means it has a positive and negative side. This makes water practically the extrovert of chemistry, able to bond with any polar molecules. This bonding power, known as cohesion, lets plants soak up water through its roots like a sponge. It also gave water its impressive boiling point, so we don't end up overheating like an old laptop. This bonding also gave water the title of the universal solvent, since its smaller molecular size and hydrogen bonding allows it to penetrate and dissolve particles like salts, sugars, gases, and proteins like an absolute champ. This is why water is so cracked at carrying nutrients and oxygen through your body's bloodstream. It's practically Amazon for your cells. Water isn't a one-trick pony and does way more than just dissolving things and making ice float. It also helps cells keep their shape, kinda like the air inside of a balloon. Without it, cells would just be sad little blobs, and that's not a good look for anyone. So yeah, water's pretty much the MVP of life, holding everything together and making sure all our biochemical processes run smoothly.